everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can change your Prime XBT account's password. Changing your Prime XBT account's password regularly helps keeping your trading account secure. First of all, open the Prime XBT application on your device like you normally do and log into your account. After you're inside the homepage of Prime XBT, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile icon. Now this will open up the profile section where you need to scroll down and look for security option and tap on it. Under security, look for change password. After you're inside the change password box, in the first field, go ahead and enter your current password that you are using for Prime XBT. After typing down your password, go to the next field and enter the new password you want to change to. Make sure the criteria displayed at the bottom matches your new password. Now, re-enter the new password in the last field and make sure they match. After you are done, click on Change and you will then be able to change your password for your Prime XBT account. Next time while logging into your account, make sure to enter the newly updated password. That is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.